Welcome to section 2, which is creating and managing threads. In this section, we will start with an overview of the Python threading module and learn how to create and manage threads using the threading module of Python. Overview of Python threading module. In this video, we are going to look at the threading module in Python and the various capabilities that it has with respect to creating and managing the threads. We will also take a peek into what is inside the threading module. As I already mentioned in the last section, threading module is a wrapper on a low-level thread module, and this was first introduced in Python 1.5.2. The documentation of the threading module says that it is loosely emulating a subset of Java's threading model. Even the naming convention of this model follow the Java's conventions and not PEP8. The threading module has constructs for creating threads. The thread class is the one that can be used to create and manage threads. The module also has various utility functions such as active count to get the number of threads that are active at the moment, to enumerate the threads, to see what is the main thread of the program, what is the current thread of the program, etc. The module also has classes for thread synchronization primitives like lock, rlock, which is also called as the reentrant lock, semaphore, condition, event, etc. Synchronization primitives help in writing multi-threaded applications that access or use the same data without causing any corruption to data. The way synchronization works on a high level is that you acquire a lock on the data that you are trying to modify and then release the lock after the modification is done, which means each of these synchronization classes support acquire and release methods that can be used to acquire and release the lock respectively. With Python 3.4, acquiring and releasing a lock or any synchronization primitive has become easier due to the support of with statement. We shall discuss the ways of creating, managing and synchronizing threads in detail in the next videos and sections. In this video, we took a peek into the threading module of Python and the various capabilities that it has with respect to creating and managing threads.